Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? In today's lecture, we will discuss trigonometric ratios and resolution of forces, which is belong to chapter number 4. I hope you will give attention to the lecture. Trigonometric ratios. Definition: the ratios between any of its two sides of a right angled triangle are given certain names such as sine, cosine, etc. In order to understand sine, cosine and tan, we use this right angle triangle ABC having BC perpendicular, AB hypotenuse, AC is base. As we know, the facing side of 90 degree is called hypotenuse and facing side of given angle is called perpendicular, and the third one is base. So right angle triangle have three sides which are called hypotenuse, perpendicular and base. So consider a right angle triangle ABC. Consider a right angle triangle ABC having angle theta. Theta is a Greek letter which is used for the angle at point A. So sine theta, which is a ratio between perpendicular and hypotenuse. So perpendicular is BC and hypotenuse is AB. So sine theta is equal to BC by AB. Cosine theta or cos theta is ratio between base and hypotenuse of right angle triangle. So base is BAC and hypotenuse is AB. So cos theta is equal to AC by AB. Tan theta, which is also a ratio between perpendicular and base. So perpendicular is BC and base is AC. So tan theta is equal to BC by AC. In order to understand these three ratios or trigonometric ratios, we have to learn this sentence. Some people have curly black hair through proper brushing. As this sentence has three parts, first part is some people have. Some, S stand for sine, people, P stand for perpendicular, and have, H stand for hypotenuse. So sine is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Curly black hair, curly C stand for cos, black B stand for base, here H stand for hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. And its third part is through proper brushing. In through, T stand for tan theta, proper P stand for perpendicular, brushing B stand for base. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. In this way, you can learn these trigonometric ratios easily. Resolution of forces. The definition of resolution of forces is splitting up of a force into two mutually perpendicular components is called the resolution of that force. It means dividing a single force into two or more forces is known as the resolution of forces. In order to understand resolution of forces, we consider this figure. This is y-axis and x-axis. So draw a line OA which represented a force F. if we draw perpendicular from A to x-axis, which is known as AB, and by joining O to B, we have two parts. In order to addition of vector forces, we have a graphical method which is known as head to tail rule. So let we have two vectors OB and BA. So head of B coincide with the tail of vector BA, and at the last the head of vector A join the tail of vector B. So in this way, OA represent a resultant vector and OB and BA are its components, as these two components making an angle 90 degree are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, these two components are known as Cartesian components. So let us start our method to resolve force F into two components, Fx and Fy. Consider a force F represented by a line OA making an angle theta with x-axis, OA force F making angle theta with x-axis. Draw perpendicular AB. Draw perpendicular AB on x-axis from point A. According to head to tail rule, OA is the resultant of vector represented by OB and BA. Thus, OA is equal to OB plus BA. This equation is according to head to tail rule. The components OB and BA are perpendicular to each other. Therefore, they are called the perpendicular components of OA representing force F. Hence, OB represents its x component, which is Fx, and BA represents its y component, Fy. Therefore, above equation OA is equal to OB plus BA becomes F is equal to Fx plus Fy, because OA represented by F, OB represented by Fx, and BA represented by Fy. In order to find the magnitude of the components Fx and Fy, we use the following method. The magnitudes of forces Fx and Fy can be found using the trigonometric ratios, as we discussed in previous. In right angle triangle OBA, which is OBA, base by hypotenuse is called cos theta, as base is OB and hypotenuse is OA. So Fx by F is equal to cos theta, and the value of Fx is equal to F cos theta. In this way, we can find the component Fx using this formula. On the other hand, perpendicular by hypotenuse is known as sin theta, as perpendicular is BA and hypotenuse is OA. So Fy by F is equal to sin theta. So value of Fy is equal to F sin theta. By the help of this formula, we can find the magnitude of Fy, which is a vertical component, and this is known as horizontal component. These are called perpendicular components of the force F, and this topic is known as the resolution of forces. Students, I hope you will understand this topic. आगे बढ़ते जाओ, पढ़ना है, रुकना नहीं। दिस इज अ स्लोगन ऑफ नेटिव। खुदा हाफिज।